everybody. Hey, gonna be our first, say 90 degrees. 88 is pretty damn hot, huh? So, I hope the old Harley does good in the heat and we don't get stuck in traffic for too long. Let's do this thing. Let's do the startup. I couldn't wave to her. She had her butt to me, on her back to me, I mean. Oh, yeah. Dirty old dog. Oh, soul. Hey, welcome back to Motovlogging Virginia channel. We're doing a little survival test out here on the roads. We got people just zigging in, zigging out, going everywhere. You know, everybody's in a hurry. That sound familiar? Should that be anything new? I don't think so. But he made that light by doing that. Yeah. Made that light. Sometimes it pays, eh? Watch the rear ender back there doing good. Keep an eye on your rear. Your own rear, alright? That doesn't mean go out and lollygag around and checking out everybody's, you know, hind parts. A major intersection, something to be a little extra cautious about. Be looking. Just because the light's green, you know. Check your areas first. Check where the hell everybody else is going, in case they want to get in your way. When they're not supposed to. That's a long little pause here. Old Lucy getting warmed up. I can feel her heating up. Reach between my legs, ease the seat back. Oh. Man, I could talk about Van Halen for quite a while. Like, there was the main, super cool, let's party. What kind of crazy riffs was Eddie Van Halen gonna come out with? I couldn't believe when, have you seen Junior's grade? Yeah. Women and children first. Like, that had a whole different sound when I wasn't used to. I was like, that's pretty badass. That went a little deeper, a little darker, like they say, and it definitely did. I didn't know the difference then, but, you know, I understand it a little more now. The Cradle. And the Cradle will rock. Means I was destined from birth to be Eddie Van Halen and David Lee Roth and Michael Anthony and Alex Van Halen. From the cradle, we will rock and grow into probably the biggest, largest, most influential band really ever. I mean, ever. And I'm a huge Randy Rhoads fan. Huge. Probably because of the cool Ozzy lyrics, and wasn't his lyrics, but from his band. And with the more darker playing and smoking guitar. Yeah. Sorry, lots of traffic. was kind of jealous that I just thought Randy was freaking great. And I always was thinking, like, man, is Eddie better? And I could just listen to all the different things he could do. Even like the Spanish Fly on the nylon guitar was pretty freaking awesome. And everything he did was freaking fantastic. Smooth and clean and fast, and just at least the recorded albums were. And I don't know, man. Pretty sure Randy was a traditionalist, kind of, but blended different, you know, wonderful styles together. And so I don't know, but you know, they're just both freaking fantastic. I'm glad I grew up with both the killer guitar heroes. I mean, there's many more than just those two. Fantastic. Warren DeMartini, Jakey Lee after Randy Rhoads, freaking phenomenal. You know, how could you? I mean, I like Zakk Wylde, but I just wasn't as it wasn't that influential to me. I didn't like the kind of signature squeal and pinch harmonic. He did the same big wide vibrato pick harmonic, and I don't know, just little things. But hey, that's why ice cream has 101 flavors. Ice cream is great. Doesn't mean one flavor is superior than another. I watched this guy behind the rubber store. He didn't want to be behind me, I guess. He knew he was going to tailgate. I wasn't digging it. That's a big old semi there, day cab, pulling a shorty. Yeah, we're going to be reaching 90 degrees today. Goodness, it feels good going across the cooler water still. Hasn't gotten smoking hot yet, but got a parking lot over there. They all got stopped, and they must have stopped them again up here because we got a big section missing of no cars. They probably leave it open for emergency vehicles, most likely an accident if that's the case. I see gray hairs in front of me. Yeah. They might not like me, they might love me. They might not be as aware. But you gotta be aware of everything. Just because they got gray hair don't mean they're not aware. But it's something to consider. And they've been around longer, got more things that could have gone wrong with them. And more things they could have wised up to. That's a bag of, you know, mixed chocolates. Yeah, see, there's where they stopped him again. Let's see how long this line is. We got a nice long one. You think it's all the way to my work? That's a good possibility, because I've been over there like that. But you just gotta go by and say, hey, how you doing? Wave, 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 wave. Get them happy. Yeah, it looks like it's a pretty long line. Oh, so we're gonna put the fist down on the rear view. Do the upside down peace sign. Say howdy, because we're freaking flying. We're free. Get your motor on and head on the highway. Looking for adventure. Whatever comes our way, we're gonna make it happen. I know. No extra charge for the copyrighted music I sung. Wouldn't that be something? You do a little hum, and the YouTuber will give you a copyright claim. I'm claiming copyright Claim away. Got the claim clam out. Might as well. There's Stinky. Keys! Always somebody coming around that corner when I want to turn. Don't get over into this right lane too quick. People coming off that off-ramp, they don't like to stop. They want to slow and go. And you know, I didn't see the motorcycle. I didn't see him. Maybe his lights weren't on. He wasn't making himself visible. You know, it's my fault. We know this road well. I could go straight, as this here just V's off to the right. And this road I'm coming to connects both roads. Right up here. That goes right over to that road that we had the green light for. Woo! How we doing? Just what I thought. We're fine. I was thinking about Rocket Queen, who damn near lost her homestead to fire a couple months ago there in Oklahoma. Oh, we got another four-wheel vehicle just going down the road. Give me a nice thumbs up. He was cool. And yeah, I watch her lives and come in and say hi. And she has recovery live streams. If you ever need a helping hand or a little word of encouragement, or you just want to reach out, or you want to hang out and visit Rocket Queen like I do, you're always welcome there. And you're welcome to talk recovery, things that can save you from yourself, your thinking, your addictions. Yeah, at least you'll get help from a higher power, which I call God, making the whew.
Did I hear you say you're selling your R1?
Suffocating now. It's going to be like 90 degrees today. Yeah.
Where the fuck did that come from, right?
It's time. It's time. I could have done without, being as my AC's out at home.